The smartphone, as you know, it is dead. For the last decade, we've been living in an era of refinement. Smaller notches, slightly faster chips, and cameras that look a bit better in the dark. But something shifted deep inside Apple Park this year. The rumors started as a whisper among supply chain analysts in Taipei, but now the data is undeniable. The iPhone 18 Pro Max isn't just a phone. It is the beginning of the post-smartphone era. It is a device that shouldn't technically exist yet, pushing the boundaries of physics, silicon, and artificial intelligence to a point that makes the previous generations look like ancient relics. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you are thinking about upgrading, or if you're curious why the tech world is currently in a state of absolute panic, you need to listen very closely. We are about to deconstruct every single atom of the iPhone 18 Pro Max. We are going to talk about the invisible technology that Apple has been hiding in plain sight, the revolutionary battery chemistry that finally solves the one-day limit, and a camera system that is literally rewriting the laws of optics. This is the definitive deep dive into the most ambitious piece of consumer electronics ever created. Let's start with the first thing you'll notice, yet the thing you'll never actually see, the under-display Face ID and the death of the dynamic island. For years, the cutout has been the compromise. It was the scar on the face of the iPhone. But with the 18 Pro Max, Apple has finally perfected the sub-pixel transparency required to hide the world's most advanced facial recognition system beneath the OLED matrix. When the screen is on, it is a pure, uninterrupted sheet of glass. A window into another world. When you look at this display, you aren't seeing pixels. You're seeing a 2000 nit canvas that uses a new, quantum, coding to produce colors that the human eye usually only sees in nature. This is the Promotion 3.0 era. We aren't just talking about 120 Hz. We are talking about a variable refresh rate that can scale from a battery-sipping 0.1 Hz all the way up to a blistering 240 Hz for gaming. It is so smooth that it feels like you're touching the interface itself, not a piece of glass. But the beauty is only skin deep. The real story, the story that has Samsung and Google executives losing sleep, is what's happening under the hood. The A20 Bionic chip. Or perhaps, as the rumors suggest, Apple will finally drop the Bionic moniker for something more powerful, the A20 Ultra. This is the world's first 2-nanometer mass-produced processor. To put that in perspective, the transistors on this chip are barely larger than a strand of human DNA. We are reaching the physical limits of what silicon can do. This chip doesn't just run apps, it predicts them. Through a massive upgrade to the neural engine, the iPhone 18 Pro Max utilizes predictive fluidity. It learns your habits so deeply that it preloads the data for the app you're about to open before your finger even touches the glass. It's not fast, it's instantaneous. And then there is the heat. In a device this powerful, heat is the enemy. But Apple has reportedly borrowed technology from the aerospace industry, implementing a microscopic vapor chamber system infused with graphene. This allows the iPhone 18 Pro Max to maintain peak performance for hours. Imagine playing console-quality games, with full ray tracing and global illumination, without the phone ever getting uncomfortably warm or dimming the screen. This is the promise of the 18 Pro Max. It's a MacBook Pro in your